Again, this is your review for your transformation test. This is actually the part 3. Ignore the numbers. This is just the next problem. We have a triangle. We're translating 1 unit to the right. Right is x. It also is, right is x and it's positive, so x plus 1. 3 units down, down is y, and it's negative, so it's y minus 3. And it says write the translation algebraically. So what are the coordinates of the image? So I'm going to go 3, negative 1, plus 1 minus 3. So that's 4, comma, negative 4. And then I'm going to do plus 1 minus 3, and I'll have 6, comma, negative 4. And I'll do plus 1, negative 3, which is 6, comma, negative 1. So I'm taking the values and I'm adding 1 to the y, and I'm subtracting 3 from, I'm adding 1 to the x value and subtracting 3 from the y value. Triangle dilated, which means multiply, with scale factor of 3/4, and the dilation is centered. Write an algebraic, determine the coordinates. So I do 3/4 of x and 3/4 of y. So I multiply that by 3/4. Oh, I just want e. Multiply that by 3/4. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. There is my new coordinate of e prime. Again, for your test on Friday, you will have to know your vocabulary and make sure that you go back at the video and you can know what these are talking about. You do have the opportunity to come to office hours and clear up any questions on transformations, because your test is on Friday. It is timed, and so once you start your test on Friday, you will have 50 minutes until your test submits, and it will submit automatically. Thank you very much.